What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys with another YouTube video, and in this video I'm literally going to be breaking down to you guys my top resources on how you can utilize your smartphone to go out there and actually make a little over $100 a day every single day. That is a minimum of $3,000 per month for you, all so you can sit back, relax, and chill by the beach. Chill on your vacation, chill at your home. It doesn't really matter where you are. I'm gonna be teaching you guys what 3 ways I would recommend you so that you could take this phone and turn it into a smartphone and turn it into a paying phone, meaning an ATM machine. This thing should pay you. If you do not have a smartphone, you then have a dumb phone. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure and go smash the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure and hit that little subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell for all notifications. That way you guys get my future videos. And stay tuned to the very end of this video. If you guys are coming from TikTok, as you guys know, I have a lot of giveaways and promotions. So stay till the very end of this video and drop in the comment section below. I love your guys' feedback on the videos. I love what your guys' thoughts are. I love hearing your guys' story. So make sure and do that. Let's jump right into it. So, number 1 that I recommend for those of you that are interested in earning money from your Wi-Fi smartphone money, okay, is going to be becoming an affiliate marketer. Now, a lot of affiliate programs are out there. I just highly suggest that you get started in one that you actually truly wholeheartedly believe in, but more importantly, think that you can sell. Now, obviously, I would never sell anything that you guys didn't partake in yourselves. For example, I'm a partner in a Wi-Fi opportunity that allows people to grow their social media on Instagram, and I have friends and influencers that give them shout outs, and therefore I'm an affiliate for that company, and that company then pays me 6 figures a year because of how much affiliate business I refer them. And again, I do it to myself. I grow my own personal Instagram. Therefore, it's something I truly believe in. Social media is one of the most powerful platforms in the world today. In fact, there are so many people on the platform of social media with over billions of users on TikTok, with over 300+ million users on Instagram, with hundreds of millions of people on YouTube. The platform to be able to best make money is on social media. Turning this phone into a smartphone that is then going to be a paying phone, you actually have to get started in affiliate marketing. Now, let me break down what affiliate marketing truly is for you guys. Affiliate marketing allows you to take a product or a service that you like, trust, and respect, and allows you to sell it. I know there are some affiliate marketing companies that are in this realm, that are in this industry, that you then have to pay in order to get started, where there are actual some affiliate marketing opportunities and potential possibilities for those of you that are watching this video for you to get started in an opportunity and actually for free sell what it is that that product or service is and earn a small commission, anywhere from 10 to 40% one-time commission. I also know there are affiliate marketing programs that are out there that allow you to bring on reoccurring residual income. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's doing the work once and getting paid over and over and over again. Here, do me a favor real quick. Never mind, I'll do it for you. Google the term residual income. Yep, that's right. One of the most powerful ways to get paid in 2020. And better yet, better ways to get paid in 2021. Number 2 happens to be the ATM business. Now, obviously, those of you that are watching this video right now, all I do is virtual wholesale ATMing. So all I do is I land contracts, I land locations, I get signatures for X amount of years, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year. I then go to a guy like myself and sell him those contracts. So I might sell it for $200. I might sell it for $250. I might sell it for $500. Sometimes I've sold contracts for $5,000. I've even sold some contracts for $50,000. ladies and gentlemen. So, getting into the ATM business, the traditional side, you have to have money to make money. But in the flipping contract side, I know in the ATM business it's not so popular, and the reason it's not so popular is because it was popular way back when. Because way back when, this business is over 50 years old, ladies and gentlemen. So you have the opportunity now in a new school environment, in a new school society, in 2020, to literally flip contracts all from your cell phone. How will I do that? I cold call, I do marketing leads on Instagram, I do marketing ads, I do Facebook group posts, I do Facebook ad posts, I do Craigslist posts, I do all sorts of different posts to bring in individuals that want ATMs in their locations. I get them to sign a 1, 2, 3, 5-year contract, and then I then flip that contract to some other individual for $250, $500, $600, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 that wants that contract, assuming that that contract is gonna make them money. That happens to be number 2. And if you guys are interested in actually learning more about that way and really how I structured that, or you guys are interested in doing that for us, then definitely drop in the comment section below, or make sure and email me as well, or hit me up on Instagram and screenshot this and post it on your story. Sweet deal. Anyways, back to the video. Number 3 is going to be a whopping real estate. Now, a lot of you guys are asking yourself, Austin, how the heck am I going to make money in real estate? Because in real estate, it costs money to make money. And you guys are absolutely right, but there are a lot of free ways to make money, like calling for sale by owners, and the traditional term of being able to allow somebody to get out of their house. You buy their house, you flip that contract just like we do with ATMs, and you get it to some investor like myself. So I'll give you a breakdown on how wholesaling actually works right here. Stay tuned. So here's how it works. Stay with me. You get with the seller, you're direct to the seller. You have a seller that wants to sell. You are the person that is essentially going to buy the property, all cash, no questions, anything like that. You then get a contract with them at $200,000 with a 14-day escrow or a 14-day inspection period. For 14 days, you market that piece of paper property, right? That is, you got it for 200, but it's worth 210. You market that property to investors like myself. We then buy it from you for 210. You then make $10,000. We then fix it and flip it and make our money on the back end. So there's a lot of different ways to get into real estate with no money or with little to no money. Ladies and gentlemen, those are my top 3 ways for going into 2021 and 2020 third and fourth quarter that I would recommend you to actually get involved with. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure and drop in the comment section below. If you guys haven't already, make sure and come subscribe to this video. If you haven't already, smash the thumbs up button because it helps the YouTube algorithm share this video with more individuals. I look forward to seeing you guys in some future videos. But before we go, I want you guys to check out in the link in the description below the A&A show. My partner and I are interviewing some of the most successful, incredible, and entertaining individuals in the world, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure and go into the link in my bio and check out the A&A show. Shoot that a subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. I would certainly appreciate that. Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in some future videos.